Tyler Chatwood has pitched very well in a Rockies uniform this year. He has a record of 4-1, 2.22 earned run average. Hasn't given up more than 2 runs in any start since April 24th, which was his first start this year.
Quintanilla. Pitch is a bouncing ball off the bat of Bird to third. Arenado on over to first. 3 ground ball outs for Tyler Chatwood.
9 and 13 so far in June. Bouncing ball off the plate, tough play, charged by Arenado. Bare hand, quick throw to first, and in time to get the out. Oh, another dandy play by the rookie third baseman, Nolan Arenado. Does that so well with the bare hand, took care of business again. Tyler Chatwood with the payoff pitch, and that one's a broken bat into center field. Diving attempt made and caught by Dickerson in left center field. Corey Dickerson runs pretty well, got a late jump, but recovered very nicely, getting his first start in center and makes a fine play. Out number 2. Another 3-2 pitch to Hefner, and a swing and miss at that one. There's a fastball down by the knees. First strikeout for Tyler Chatwood.
In the second inning, he'll swing and hit it to left field. Carlos Gonzalez has got room. He's got it. And that's another 1-2-3. 1-1 pitch. In the air, bloop down the left field line. Cargo into foul ground. Slides and made the catch. Oh, what a play by the Gold Glover, Carlos Gonzalez.
Another 2-2. Strike 3 call. He got him with a fastball in the outside corner.